Time to tidy up your yard. Turn garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch with the Chipper Joe electric chipper and shredder from Sun Joe. Assembly is easy. Mount the wheels, screw it into place, plug it in, and go. 14 amps of rotary blade power to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Brush, leaves, branches, twigs, chip, shred, mulch, and compost. With an electric motor that runs at up to 4,300 revolutions per minute. And steel blades that reduce waste to 1/16 of its original size. Chipper Joe can do it all. Create perfect mulch for trees, flower beds, and lawns. Clean your yard and nurture it. No smoke, no fumes, no finicky starters or costly tune-ups. It just works. Shred branches up to 1.5 inches thick, quickly and safely, with its removable safety switch and safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened. Chipper Joe is ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When yard chores seem to be overwhelming, chipper up with some help from Chipper Joe and experience a faster and easier way to chip and shred. Get the tools that
make quick work out of loads of twigs, brush, and branches while turning your yard waste into beneficial mulch with the CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper shredder from Sun Joe. Its powerful 15-amp motor easily crushes, chips, and shreds branches up to 1.73 inches wide, while the 21-to-1 reduction ratio reduces sticks and dead vegetation to nutrient-rich ground cover, ideal for gardens and flower beds. Simply fill and empty the included collection bag or set it aside and make a mulch pile wherever it's needed. The chipper shredder comes equipped with sturdy wheels and a large transport handle for maximum mobility around the yard and garden. And Sun Joe's safety features include a paddle feeder and a built-in safety switch. Plus, every CJ603E comes complete with a 2-year warranty for worry-free operation season after season. So go with Joe and get set to make more mulch. CJ603E 15-amp electric silent wood chipper